Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's up, guys? All right. So we're hiking Mount Si, and I'll show you guys my outfit. So I got these at REI, Morale. They were open box actually, 20 bucks. REI. These pants, Walmart, hella good. This shirt, long sleeve, cause I'm gonna sweat hecka bad. This shirt, North Face, and GoPro right here. I got my hiking pants, or my hiking poles, cause someone's on it though, but it's right there.
Sorry.
Oh, right here, actually, Amazon.
Amazon.
My first time. I feel like I'm on crutches. But yeah. What else do I got? Yeah, that's all. Oh, what's in my bag? I forgot. Let me do that. It's my bag, guys. Oh, wrong side. Tripod, GoPro.
Period.
I got some bug spray, you know, because people's bugging
It
me.
died. Or wait.
Is it?
Never mind, the screen went black. You're good.
But anyways, I got bug spray. You know why? Because I got to spray people because they're going to bug me on a hike.
It's gonna be raining. Do you really need that?
I don't know.
Okay.
No, you don't. Leave it out.
I need it for me.
Do you have extra hand warmers?
It's extra weight. It's extra weight. Take it out.
Wait, do you have more hand warmers?
Yeah, I have
I
a
have
bunch.
3. I have
Can
3.
I have some?
I have 4, yeah.
Oh, they're in your bag?
I
Okay,
get some
perfect.
hand
Never mind.
warmers
You leave them in
my
there.
hands are cold.
I'm sorry. I'm ruining your video right now.
It's okay. I'll have a flashlight because, you know, I'm trying to make everything lit. And then,
Period.
I got snacks. This is my snack because I'm going to get high as fuck. I got these snacks. I think I got these at Fred Meyer's. In Walmart.
Yeah, I know where it's at.
Nature Rally. Classic. I got apples. 2 apples and 2 oranges. You know, right here. 2 cuties. And that's it. That's my hiking
That's
gear.
his bag.
That's what's in my bag.
Now, sigh.
All right, you can stop it and then I'll go to the next. All right, guys, so we got Nicole's outfit. So let's see. Show them what you got.
The shoes are from Big Five. They were like 30 bucks. Pants are from Amazon. I would flash you guys again, but I tucked in my shirts and whatnot. But I'm wearing Lululemon. Yes, Lululemon. I'm just kidding. Lululemon leggings, belt bag, a Columbia shirt that you can't see because I'm all tucked in. This Kraken fleece from Costco. And this emergency poncho Raina got me this morning
From
at Walmart. And then the beanie from Carhartt. And that's the outfit.
Ooh, fire. Almost. We're at Mount Si, guys. Let's see. Boom. Warning. Ooh. Oh, this is the map.
Where are they? Should we just start?
Come on.
This guy.
Come on.
Mao. Mao near. Oh. Man's lit already. I'm gonna slide, guys. Watch, ready? Oh, that failed. Ready? Whee! Oh, wait, hold on. I'm a kid. I'm a kid. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know why? Because they're waterproof. One. I'm a pro skier. Whew.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh no.
What, you got it in the head?
I got you guys. Ooh. 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 How far are we?
Wow. Bro, we gotta keep going. We're not even a mile in.
Basically.
LMAO. We should do it before we eat at the top.
Before we eat, crazy. I always do that.
After, okay.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No, that's okay.
Whew.
Here, Marshall, let them pass.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, guys. How long did it take you to get up there? Oh, I've been going back and forth.
I thought you went all the way to the top. I was like, that guy's crazy. I was like, what's he training for?
Oh, I didn't do that. I saw this trend where like, oh, this is me before the hike.
Yeah, this is me
I didn't
after
do
the
that.
hike. We should have done that as a group.
This is me in the middle of the hike.
This is me before Mount Si.
I'm
This is
wet.
me before Mount Si.
Look, it's dry.
And then this is me after.
Rain is probably gonna have
It's gonna be us in completely different outfits because we're stripped. Yeah.
I'm recording you guys on the stairs. It's for my YouTube. Hey, you want to use it? If you want to, if you want to. I stepped in a puddle.
Are you recording?
Huh? Yeah.
Are you pausing it at all or no?
Huh? I am.
You should pause it. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye, bitches. Hi, Mama. I'm hiking Mount C for you. Mount C. I will hike Mount. Oh. Because you're wearing all black.
No, this is hot.
Alright, go. So, right now, Mount Si, we're like halfway-ish. We're not on top yet, so far, we're here. More stairs over there. You guys can't see it all, but yeah. Taking our time. Time right now is, you guys can see it, 10:56. Supposedly it's 4 hours, 5 hours to get there, 5.5. Probably get there like 12, 1:30. Get back down, But yeah, more stairs. There. Boom. It's muddy though. Supposedly the top has snow. Good thing about my post. You guys probably saw it like in the beginning though, but yeah. First time I got spikes too in case. But yeah. Calf work. Boom. Right there. And I'm really bored because there's no view yet. That's all good. See you guys later. Oh, right here, look. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me go ahead. Yeah, we did it. Yeah.
Yes.
Good job, Raina. Air 5.
Air 5.
Bam. Okay.
Yay.
Hey, yo, Jamie, get your cuz. Get your cousins, bruh.
What? Yo! Hey, we out here. Big Aurelio, Young Rich.
Good job, good job, good job, good job. Good job. It didn't record. It's 11:02. Hey yo, it's Aurelio. Leave a message. we're talking about your.
Really? Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, hold on. I'm gonna take a photo.
I don't know what I've been. Hey. They're all waterproof. It's okay. It's okay. How you feel right now, Nicole?
It smells really good out here.
You're welcome. I was basing it up for my mother for New Year's.
Say hi, guys.
What's up?
Cute.
Okay.
This honestly is much of the biggest group I like.
Ready? So welcome to my crib. I have a whole like hiking trail back here. So
These might be max, to be honest.
No, I can really see it on them bigger.
as you guys can see,
Oh.
I have this.
Maybe Rainier. Wow, this is really cool. Probably Rainier. I think they have like close.
Hello. It's on.
Huh?
It's recording.
You are?
Yeah. Oh God. Hey, is it this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh God.
Marco, did you see Aurelio and Solana at all?
No. I feel bad.
Oh shit.
You know I don't have to be behind that little bitch. That's it. I'm sorry, you're beautiful.
Come to daddy.
Oh, you were so close that one time.
I was scared.
You should have let it happen.
Then
You just gotta let
Money.
it happen, man.
I don't know how
Money.
he even did it to begin with.
He literally put his hands up for like 2 seconds.
I know, like.
And now they know that you don't have to, but they're scared of you now. I get it.
guys, say hi to the GoPro.
Hi, GoPro.
I go pro.
It's cold. I got some crackers.
Probably want a
I
cracker?
was just about to say that.
I'm wet, guys. I'm super wet. I need a towel. I got my little rascals on the hill.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more time.
Is it recording? Richie.
What's up?
Right here, look. Damn, I'm hella